If you need to close your Klarna account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Klarna website or open the Klarna app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you wish to close. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find Account Closure option. Look for an option related to account management or closure. This may be labeled as Close Account, Delete Account, or something similar. Step 4. Follow the closure instructions. Click on the Account Closure option and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to confirm your decision and provide a reason for closing the account. Step 5. Confirm closure. After completing the necessary steps, check your email for a confirmation message from Klarna. This will verify that your account has been successfully closed. Make sure to review any outstanding payments or obligations before closing your account. If you have any questions or issues, contacting Klarna's customer service can provide additional assistance.